Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Welcome to Tag Team Friday. Today I am going to create a tag from the Seaspray bundle from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. For this tag I will be using these two journal pages, and I have cut them in my printer 75%, so they're not too large, because these will be my tags front and back. And I have fussy cut this beautiful image here. I'm going to be using this brad and also this lovely image of the Venus coming out of the shell. I have this glue, call-out glue, and some distress ink, and of course my gold Gede PBO gilding wax. So this will be my front and this will be back, and I'm going to attach the two, and I'm going to use the glue. This will also create thickness, which is what I need for a tag. I'm just going to put some glue around it, and then use this piece of paper and just spread it around onto the page, just leaving it just a little tiny bit to breathe a bit, and then I will attach the other side onto it. And before it glues completely, it gets completely attached, I'm going to create this fold. Outline the tag shape. I'll use my ruler and yeah. Usually what I do personally, because everyone has a different way of doing it, is I just measure from the top the part that I've divided, and then I use the same measurements for the other side. It will be here. And with this, I will just cut that part. It's a lot easier. There. So the tag is ready now. I've created a little booklet, as you can see here. The next thing is to attach this image onto the back, and I will outline her a bit with some distress ink. Before I attach her onto the back. There's another journal page with the image of Venus as well. attached, but I wanted to create this kind of fold and to have two sides, and I decided I like to use this one on the background because of the front that I like very much. Anyway, I mean, there is so much flexibility with the images that because there are different ways of using the images, you can use them any way you like. So I will attach her onto the back using again my glue, spreading it a bit with this older seed paper and putting it onto the tag. That's right. It's ready. Now the other thing I'm going to do is distress the edge, and you know how distressing makes a tag, or makes anything look so authentic and vintage. So this is the way I like to do. So this is the way I like to do it. And I will also distress it inside as well. No, for my final addition to this tag, I have this beautiful image, and I will also distress it. I have fussy cut it. I mean, you know, you can perfect the fussy cutting as much as you like. I don't care too much. I don't worry too much, because afterwards I distress it, and with distressing it, you will give it this vintage look, and also hide any details that you haven't done very well. It doesn't matter. I will also add some gold on it. A bit of mix of gold and this lovely coral color. So now I will add a hole. I will add a hole here, and on the edge of the inside part of the tag. The hole here, and I will attach this onto the tag. There, to the back, you can see. So, you know, I will trim this edge. So this way I can close the tag, and I can see from underneath, from in the background, the inside part of the tag, which is actually lovely, and it looks like a natural sort of edge for the tag. So I have chosen this ribbon, which is just perfect for this color, for this tag, and I will create a hole here so I can put the ribbon through and finish my tag. will only do this side because of course it will fold with this. So it's going to go in the middle, and I'll prepare my little machine here, which needs to go upside down for some reason. And ready. As soon as you hear the clicking sound, it means it's attached. So I'm going to put this ribbon through. In here you can use this as it can be used as a canvas to add lots of different things if you will, when one likes, or keep it simple like I did today. I like it simple this time because I like to highlight this beautiful shell. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be talking again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.